Hey everyone, and I'm going to be doing a release of Spark Testing Base for Scala 2.12, or at least that's the plan. This is somewhat overdue. Most of the work has been done already. There's a pull request, it's been reviewed and merged, but I haven't actually had the time to sit down and go through the release process. And the release process for Spark Testing Base is unfortunately not really all that great. So we get to see behind that and sort of play around with that. So let's go ahead, go over to live mode. What are we going to do here? Spark. Oh, do I not? Oh, no, I went into the wrong. Cool. So we can see here, there is Spark Testing Base. What branch am I on? 242 RC1. So the last thing that I did with Spark Testing Base was check that the Spark 242 release was still fine. It's kind of a hack. This actually reminds me that I need to blow away part of my IV cache. That's because I probably have... let me turn off this. You don't need that. It's actually, so we want to blow away our IV cache for Apache Spark, and that's because I've done this test with a snapshot, and we don't want to accidentally build Spark 242 applications against release candidate 1. That could happen if I didn't remove that. So I've done that, removed that from the cache. What branch am I on? Okay, I'm on master, so we're going to do a git pull. And we're going to look. There is a lot of things that have changed. And so we can see Mike is the person who did much of this work, and that's supporting Scala 2.12. So thanks, Mike, for your contributions here. And we're going to go ahead and try and get everything working. So I'm going to probably bump the version number as well. Oh, yeah, it's the wrong build. It's actually right there. Okay, version is going to be version. There we go. Here we go. Common settings. Spark testing is going to be v0.12, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to try and run this. So I have build SPT in here. SPT. That's kind of an old version of SPT. See if I can upgrade to a newer version. Oh, I remember there was problems with trying to upgrade to the newer version of SPT now. Spark project, yeah. So project, build.properties. 0318 at least should be safe. I think using the 1.0 gave us some issues. Let's do that. Oh wait, no. Weird. Okay, we do have 127 here. So, okay. Evicted. What, SL4J, I don't really care about it. Yammer metrics, also, we don't really care about it. Okay, yeah, here we go. We have a... Alright, I think this is fine. Actually, oops. Most of these are in the same major version. So... that's fine. And for the most part, it's that Spark is depending on the newest version, and we have like different things here that are depending on the older version. Oh, except here it's the Hadoop version. Yeah, okay. Whatever. These are all fine. This one. Who's depending on 139? Ah, shit. That's... Oh, it's fine bugs though. I don't care about that. Guava, I mean, yeah, that's real, but not a lot we can do about that. Scala parser. Netty, yeah, okay, that's fine. Okay, yeah, no, that's good to me. Okay. Actually, so one of the things that we have to do to run a full version of Spark Testing Base is we need a Spark Home setup, echo, and okay. So we're going to say this is our Spark Home. SVT, and then we're going to go ahead and do a clean compile. Clean compile test. And I think this will build, let me actually take a look at our new build file here. Start testing base. So, interestingly, so Scala, yeah, I think the default's going to be 2.11, maybe 2.12. We can take a look at the targets that it's generating, so it will tell us. Interesting, it builds Kafka test util separately. Nice, now it's building all of this, okay. Base. Okay, so this is with Scala 2.11. All well and good. We definitely want it to still work with Scala 2.11, so let's make sure that this passes, but then afterwards we're going to go and do the plus, which means to do it in the cross version. It turns out, though, testing a custom RDD generator. So some of these tests generate large numbers of elements, so they can take a little bit of time to get very far. Yeah. So the custom RDD generator test, the fact that this is taking a while, not unexpected. Turns out the testing custom RDD generator. Did not mean to do that. I just wanted to check and see if there were any comments. Okay, cool. Now we're generating some different types. This looks good. Kind of want to put that 8-bit music back on. That was nice, but let's wait for the test to finish. And we test these in CI to a degree, but I like to test it locally. It's a nice habit. And part of testing it locally is that when I actually do cut releases, I cut them locally as well. And it's just because it's where my GPG keys are for signing my code. Actually, interesting question. Wonder if I have my code signing keys on this computer. It's relatively new. Okay, what about if I do this? Okay, so we're going to try testing it with Scala 2.12 now. And we can see it's downloading Spark 2.40, but the Scala 2.12 version, so that's good. Has to recompile everything, of course. There's a lot of warnings building Spark Testing Base, and part of that is because Spark Testing Base tries to support, I want to say from 1.6 forward. Actually, we can go ahead and check that. It used to support from 1.6 forward. Actually, yeah, so this still supports from 1.4 forward. I don't really have time for that. We're just going to do 1.6 forward. Let's check if Spark 2.42 was released. If so, we should update that. Oh, it's running the tests here. Spark 2.42. Yep, looks like it was. Oh, actually, all the way up to 2.43. Okay. So 2.41, 2.42, and 2.43. And so this is a very sketchy Perl script which actually does the act of cross-building. And inside of our build file is where we have a whole bunch of interesting logic for handling all of the different versions of Spark. I'm going to kill some of this, though, today, because I do not feel like maintaining 1.3 and 1.4 and all of those things as well. So actually, after this runs, we're going to go ahead and make a branch and hopefully clean up some of the code before the release, just, since we're here anyways. Okay. Yes. For now, the Kafka dependency is only built for Scala 2.11. Currently, the Kafka dependency is only built for. Okay. Looks like the tests are going just fine, though. That's good. I'm hesitant to start editing the source files while the tests are running, though. So we need to keep pre-2.0 core sources. Yeah, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5, 1.6. So really, then we can maybe fix some of the warnings. That'd be kind of nice, but we can can at the very least simplify things a little bit, assuming that all of the stuff passes and has a good time. Or actually, even if we don't want to do that on a branch just yet, go ahead and we can make a GitHub issue for it. And so that'll be easier, and also means that I can just get the release out faster, because, oh, 69 issues and 15 pull requests. Okay. Remove Spark pre-16 support in the build. And look to see what things we were doing to support previous versions. Okay, submit new issue, that's fine. Okay, let's go look at these 15 pull requests, see if there's anything else that we want to do. Ooh, this is exciting. These are all exciting. Well, says looks good. Has conflicts. I think we already updated though. Although we should probably get off Travis at some point now. Spark 233. Okay. I think this was incorporated. Yeah. Sorry, I didn't get to this. Was done. Part of the 2.12 upgrade. Alright, cool. Close and comment. That's good. Pull requests. Interesting. I mean, this would be nice. Fixes number 288. Okay, let's go. It seems reasonable. I like it. Yeah, okay. This is really good. This is really good. It's really good. I like this. So let's go ahead and unfortunately I can't squash and merge, so I'm gonna have to do this manually. Don't know why. There used to be a web UI for resolving conflicts too, I think, unless my memory is really bad. Okay, that looks fine. Let's okay. Version to 4.12. Stop cross-building for prior to 1.6. Still in the build file. Stop. Release cross-building. Add 242, 243, and oh yeah, okay. Mention Kafka support only built for 2.11. Okay. Next thing that I want to do, let's see, push. Is commit this. So yeah. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead. Actually, yeah. I think I have hub installed on this computer, which simplifies things. Hub checkout. Okay. Base master, and the conflict is inside of travis.yaml, so that's great. And we're actually just gonna keep the newer version, and maybe switch this from mobile US to archive, so it's more resilient. Okay, So that's good. Git vbase -- continue. Does the person have allow edits from maintainers? I don't know. Okay. Wait, what? I'm confused. Except not quite what I want. I want to read this git resets shard base. Okay, so instead of this, yes. Cool. Let's run the test again. So test plus test. All right, let's do test, and then we'll do plus test afterwards. No. Looks fine. Okay, oh yeah, let's go back to this. Yeah, let's go manually merge. Resolved complex merge. Closing comments, and then we can go ahead and close issue. Okay. Okay, not. Yeah. Oh, interesting. Okay. Oof. Yeah. Okay, sounds like they're gonna work on it some more on Monday, so that's exciting. Cool. Interesting. I feel like one partition is going to hide a number of errors. Number of important errors. Certainly calling it out in the docs as an option for folks to set this to 1 would be good. Do you still get some speed up with 2 though? give us multi-partition by default. I guess this turned into like impromptu code review as well, but that's also just how releases go. Okay, yeah, this looks like it's going fine. Yep. Well, we'll wait for the test to finish before I run our sketchy release script, but this looks great. I'm very excited for this to be the release. Okay, that looks good. So this is good. So now we run this monstrosity of a Perl script called mini crossbuild.pl, and this will start trying to make that release. Actually, interesting question. Before I run that script, I'm going to do publish signed, because I just don't actually know if I've got my keys set up. Nope. Looks like I do not have my keys on this machine. Huh. Interesting. Where might my keys be? Feel kind of like a... Okay, there we go. Huh. Okay, looks like it. What's the name of the file that I'm looking for? No. So I found my old, I called it SDD drive, and it's not in there. Do I have gpg-list keys? I have a code signing key. Yeah, okay. So okay, I guess I haven't published a release on this new computer yet, and I do not know. Is that configured in build.sbt? Oh, right, there's something here. GPG, okay, yes. Okay, well I found, and I'll need this in a minute, my SPD credentials. So that's useful. .iv2. Yeah. Okay. But I don't know where this key is. Okay, it's been a while. I guess we're looking up how to do GPG stuff on the internet. SBT GPG config. Cool. Oh, okay. What's in my properties, plugins, SBT PGP. I do not have a GPG. Okay. Don't know where my keyring is by default. Let's GPG keyring location Ubuntu. Okay. Is it local share keyrings? No. Oh wait, no. This is wait. That's where my public keyring is. Let's try GPG secret keyring. Secret keyring location. Yeah, okay, yeah. Gold signing certificates, fine. Keyring. I guess I can, well, export. Export secret. Yeah, okay. Where's it looking right now? It's looking here. So GPG export. And I feel like I should run that command off screen just in case it prints to like my terminal, because that could be kind of annoying to deal with. Export secret. And keys. So I think I want to use this one. Oh, these actually expire in 2020. Let's use this one. It doesn't expire. Let's take it. Cool. Did print it to my terminal. Okay. Expected public key. Okay. Export public keys. Okay, GPG export public key. Export. Okay, public. I guess it's just export. Okay, I guess. Okay. Cool. So looks like we can sign it. My Spark credentials do not exist. That's fine. I don't need the Spark credentials. I don't think. I think I just need the SPD. Oh no. Those are the Spark credentials. Okay, I need these credentials, which most likely are on my laptop. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go grab these credentials because I don't remember my my Sonatype username and password. So exciting, I know. But we're really close. Yes, we can see. Very close. Very close. I'm back with my secret keys. Well, actually, not my secret keys. My secret keys we already had. But I'm back with my Sonatype login because I don't know what that is. I hope it's on this machine. If not, I can reset my Sonatype password, or we can play the game of which hard drive did Holden store her Sonatype password on by accident. Because I upgraded my computer last year for stuff. Yeah. Oh, This means that I actually see my work email, which I was trying to avoid. Don't tell my boss. I'm a very good employee. I definitely read my email many times. Okay, the credentials are not on here either. Oh, no, I'm looking in the wrong place. Okay, yeah. Here we go. I don't remember what my desktop IP address is, but I'm pretty... Ooh, okay. Oh, I have Docker running. Okay, yeah, let's just CP this over. That 172. Is that really the network I'm on? Huh. Weird. Okay. Actually, let's see if this is on the right network. No, it's not. The grand tradition of making poor life choices, I have several different networks which are semi-isolated from each other for not particularly good reasons. They don't always work. Okay. Take a minute to get my credentials over. Okay. There we go. Now I should be able to CP this over because I'm on the right network. Come on. I'm like pretty sure I'm on the right network. Oh. Am I sending it to the wrong host? Oh. Wait, what? Okay, whatever. Screw this. Red-N. What's my actual network? Okay. Probably 1.14. Okay. Oh, right. Because I copied some stuff around as root. Okay, cool. Copied over, and now I should be able to do our publish. Signed. Wait, what? Wait, that's I'm slightly concerned. I think this version number here we can see. The version number is not the version number I'd expect, although here this is the version number I would expect. Okay, yeah, no, that looks fine. 240.0.12. Yep, good. Okay. We'll let this run. It's 2.12, and then I'm going to go ahead and check our wonderful Perl script. Publish. Oh no. Cross build, yes. Publish. Signed. Oh yeah. So I guess I always just run it because I'm not. And sometimes the command doesn't do anything. Okay. We'll wait for the 2.12 to finish publishing manually, then I'll kick off the Perl script, which will publish all of them. I just want to make sure that one of them is going to finish properly on its own before I run this Perl script, which just builds a Spark testing base for all of these different versions of Spark. And then at that point, we'll wrap it up and I'll go drink some Mountain Dew. Actually, I'm gonna start drinking some Mountain Dew right now. I gotta stay awake for Detective Pikachu tonight, which is probably gonna be pretty bad, but I'm pretty excited for. Yep. These jar names don't make a lot of sense, but they ostensibly get published to the right place. So I guess I don't really care that much about that so long as it's going to work upstream. So that's fine. Looking good. Yes. This looks good. Oh yeah, not updating Frank the Unicorn. Looks like it's chugging along just fine. Oh. Okay. Repository for publishing not specified. What? Wait. I am so confused. Because it says this is where it's publishing it to. And that worked fine for Scala 2.12. It did not work for Scala 2.11. Yeah, these are my credentials. So these are the publish settings. Let's go. Okay, yes. Publish settings. No publish settings. What's over here? So the default is to skip the publish. So root. So root itself, we don't publish, yes. Lazy val Kafka. Depends on core. And its settings. It does not have publish settings. Alright, publish settings. Okay. I think that was the problem. Add publish settings for Kafka subprojects. Well, actually, so if I do plus publish sign, that we'll do 2.12 and 2.11, and it only fails in 2.11, so let's just do the 2.11 version first. Other thing that I'm going to do is over here in mini crossbuild.pl. That should do the trick. Yeah. Leave that as is. Okay. Okay. So oh, that's good. Oh, my back. That actually, that felt really, really nice. Oh, and I got a splinter. Fuck. Destination file exists. Overwrite. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna have to go to Sonatype and delete those files. That's fine. Sonatype. Staging repositories. Drop. Confirm. Now that that's dropped, should be able to run it again. Okay, yeah. Publish signs. Okay. Other thing that I should check, because I did want to change that script to simplify it a little bit, is if plush publish sign is going to work with 1.6, so I'll do that as well after this runs, before I just go ahead and run that Perl script and call it a day. Cool. Decent progress there. Cool. That worked. That's really awesome. Okay. So that's cool. So get diff. Other thing I want to validate before I just go ahead and do that is if I do this with Spark version. Oh, interesting. It's a setting key now. Oh, here we go. Actually, yes. Okay, that simplifies my life. Oh, wait. Can I set setting keys from the command line? Because that would simplify my life. A non-trivial amount from the point of view of the sketchy Perl script. Okay, so we don't cross build for 2. So let's try that. See publish sign with the plus works, and then the other thing I'm going to do is see if I can avoid rewriting the build file every time. SPT setting key command line. Oh. So if we did, well, okay, let's wait for this to finish first, or more accurately, yeah, this looks like it's going to work fine. So that's great. Okay, 240. Okay, so diff sbt dash d. Yeah, okay. Spark version equals 232. And then, okay, but we haven't actually changed that part yet, so if I do build.spt get system property, how to read system property. Well, whatever. No, that's not what I want. It's gonna work. Spark version is 232. Awesome. So that simplified my life. Non-trivial amount. Then we can go over here into our hacky shell script and make it much less hacky. Yeah, mini crossbuild.pl. So we can get rid of all of these. And yep, instead -d this, and we don't need this anymore. New, next Spark version. Spark version. And we're not going to bother with this anymore because I really don't care about the Spark packages webpage anymore. It's not super active. Okay. Simplify cross-building different versions of Spark. So since we did a partial release, I need to go into Sonotype and delete all of the artifacts that we created, sort of testing out our theory. So we're going to go ahead, drop that, confirm, and there we go. Now, cool. We don't need to do that. Actually, no. Yep. 240. So 240. I mean, that just happens to be the version. Yeah. And, okay. Now call cleanup. Everything looks fine. I'm going to do a git push, and we'll call that a day. Looks good. Oh yeah, it only prints it out when it's done. We're not streaming it because I didn't use Popin. But yeah, I think we're done now. The Spark git push, right? Git diff. Everything looks good. Yeah, I think we're done. So sometime later on tonight there should be a release of Spark Testing Base version 0.12. Which will be the first version of Spark Testing Base to support Scala 2.12. So that was a good version number. It's also part of why I bumped to version number 1. I will probably try and do some code review time tomorrow. You can come and join me, and that'll be pretty good. If you happen to be in New Zealand, I will be at Kiwi Code Mania next week in New Zealand. If you are in Europe, I'll be in Barcelona the following week. If you like these videos, or if you want to, watch the code review videos, like and subscribe and all of those normal YouTube-y things that people totally say for real. Thanks for joining me and my yet-to-be-named special corgi. Bye, y'all.